Hello, I'm Jeremy Wright, Senior Consultant at Umbrella Consulting, and in this SYSPRO Quick Tip, I'm going to show you how to do a serial number take-on for a stock code in SYSPRO 8. And so what I have up here is SER 200, and I noticed that it ends at BCS 11499, and I want to add BCS 11500 because I missed it somehow, or for whatever reason it's in inventory, but I don't have the serial. Under the serial tracking system, I'm going to go to the serial number TakeOn under transaction processing. And my stock code was SER 200. And I'll put in warehouse N. And the serial is BCS 11500. I think I got that right. And the quantity on hand should be 1. If I need an expiry date, I can put that in there as well. But in this case, it doesn't expire. I'll just do something in the future. And I'm going to save that. And it's asking me if I want to do any sales transactions. No, I just simply forgot to put this serial into the system. So I just want the serial itself. So I'm going to save the header information, close down that. And if I go back to browse on serial numbers and filter on my SER 200, refresh, we should see, oops, I don't want my on-hand zeros, take that off. We should see there's my new one in the system. And now maybe I realize that I just made a typo and this one actually doesn't exist. So I can also take that one out. And to do that, I'm going to reduce the quantity on hand to 0 and then purge it. So that's BCS 11499 in warehouse S. So to do that, I'm going to go to transaction posting. Transaction type is standard. Function is adjust quantity on hand to 0. And the serial number was BCS 11499. Fills in everything for me nicely. And all I have to do is say quantity 0. Yep, that's what I want. Post. And now, just to double check that stock code, if I go quickly to take a look at SER 200, I should see that it is now, oh, it's not here because it has a quantity of 0. And so now if I go to try to kick it out, serial file purge, I'm going to purge the serial number and the transaction, and just the one serial number, which is BCS 11499. Need a date here, so created before today, sure. Start processing, number of serials purged 1. And so now I have the new stock code, or the new serial with the right number, and the old one is gone. And that's all there is to it. So enjoy playing with your serials. Thanks. Bye.